I'm Manju Sehgal from Teacher City, and we have recently prepared a trainer's manual for CCE, and we are looking for a kind of collaboration with CBSE to train teachers in CCE. And we feel that there is a gap in the understanding among the teaching community about CCE, what continuous is, what comprehensive is, and what is evaluation. Even the understanding of the conceptual, terms, there is a gap there. Also the implementation. How is this going to be implemented on ground across the country, in all sectors where the schools are? How exactly are the teachers going to take it to the children? So these are some of the issues that we have addressed in our manual, and we hope that very soon we will be on ground to train teachers while interacting with teachers and taking the program on ground, we feel that it will be a great learning experience for us also to know where the difficulty arises when a teacher actually begins to implement a program. So we hope that along the way, this manual will also begin to develop, new avenues of understanding between us and the board itself, because doing research and being able to put these things on paper is easier said, but actually taking it on ground is very, very challenging. And do we have a uniform understanding of continuous comprehensive evaluation? Also, which are the areas that we would be looking at? How is continuous comprehensive evaluation different than the earlier assessments done by CBSE? So where exactly are we going to take assessments? We know that there are concepts like formative assessment, summative assessment. We need to address issues of scholastic areas, co-scholastic areas. These are, terms that we use. As teachers, we overhear such terms and we use them very frequently. But how much is our understanding of these terms? And what is the importance? Exactly what is continuous comprehensive evaluation, which we call CCE? Are we going to talk about, just assessing students? How do we record this data? How do we analyze this data? How do we interpret this data? And what does this data inform ultimately? What does it inform to the learner and what does it inform to the teacher? And how do we take it forward? So ultimately we're trying to get a culture of evidence. Actually, in assessments, we have not been trained to take evidence very seriously, We can manipulate data, we can create data, but actually what is the significance of this data and how does it inform, as I said, even how does it inform curriculum developers about the kind of curriculum that we should have, and what is the loop, how do we close the loop between curriculum and assessment, because ultimately the assessment informs the curriculum. So that is the kind of issues that we have addressed, and hopefully when we go on ground we'll get more clarity on it. Thank you.